How to install WordPress on Cloudways. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can install your very own WordPress website using Cloudways hosting. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So if you guys didn't know, Cloudways is a pretty amazing hosting services, and they are providing their free hosting services as well. So you can quickly come over to their website, join for free, and start using their hosting services and create your very own WordPress website. So to do that, it's very simple. Just simply click on start for free or get started for free at the bottom, and it'll take you over to the login section or create an account section. And over here, all you have to do is just simply enter in your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, describe what you want to do, how you want to improve, and just simply agree to the terms and services and click on start for free. Or you can just simply log in with your Gmail account, your GitHub account, or your LinkedIn profile. It all depends on you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and sign up using my Google account, so I will catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, so once you have logged in and you've created your account, this is how it will look like. So first things first, what we need to do is we need to verify our account. So we'll click on this button to verify it. They'll send us an email verification as well, or a phone verification. So now we just enter in our phone number and we are good to go. And since we logged in with Google, our email is already verified. So now we just have to enter in our phone number. And once you've done that, your account will be verified. So after that, they will ask you a bunch of different things, such as your account, your partnership applications, and stuff like that. But we don't want that. We're just here to get a hosting. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on servers. And we're going to get started. So let's go ahead and click on launch now. And over here, they're basically going to ask us, what do we want? So over here, we have WordPress version 5.9, multi-site version 5.9, or a clean, no Cloudway optimized version 5.0. So choose whichever one you want. You also have a WooCommerce one, PHP, Laravel, Magneto. It all depends on you. So we're going to choose the 5.9. And then we have our application over here. Name your managed app. So we have that over here. We have our server name over here and our project name over here. And over here we have DigitalOcean. We have basically, the servers over here. As you can see, we have a bunch of different ones. So choose whichever one you want, and it all depends on you. So you can also choose the server size. You can scale it down. It all depends on you. And then just choose your location and you are good to go. So let's just choose London for now, and we're going to click on launch now. So now you are good to go. So over here, as you can see, it's adding the server. It takes about 7 to 10 minutes, and once that's done, we can go ahead and install a WordPress website and we are good to go. So I'm just going to pause this video here for now, and I will catch you guys in a second. And once the server has been created, just simply click on it and you will see your credentials over here. So your username is going to be this and your password is going to be this, and this is key. Make sure you don't forget this, because this is the credentials that we're going to use to log into our WordPress account. Now, next thing what we need to do is let's just copy this real quick. All right, paste it over here into the sticky note, and let me just copy my password as well. And once you've copied and pasted it, just simply click on launch Ssh Terminal, and also check your other things as well, such as your monitoring, your managed services, your backups, SMTs, SMTPs, and stuff like that. Just keep it all, check. Now, to see your website, all you have to do is just simply click on here on www on this one button over here, and just simply click on your application. And over here, you will have your admin panel as well. So you will have your URL. So this is going to be your website name, your domain name, then your username, and then your password over here. And you have your application credentials over here. You can add them as well, the ones that we had already, copied on our sticky notes. So now you can access your WordPress website just by clicking on this button right here. It's called WordPress.Cloudways. So let's go ahead and launch this application. And as you can see, it's loading up. Now it's asking us for our login credentials, and we already have that over here. So just click on your username. It will be copied, paste it over here, and then just copy your password and paste it over here. And then just simply click on remember me and click on login, and boom, there you go. So this is your WordPress website is now ready and to be installed, and now you can go ahead and view it. So to view your website, just simply come over here onto the left side, hover your mouse over here and click on visit site, and it will take you over to your website right here. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. This is a sample page, of course. So you can go ahead and edit your website later on. Now, over here, as you can see, this is how you basically create a website with Cloudways, and you can create your own WordPress website the exact same way. Now, over here, as you can see, our domain name is very weird. It's really, really long. It's still using the Cloudways domain name. So to actually, get your own different domain name, what you can do is you can go ahead and visit different domain places such as godaddy.com. So let me just go over here. So once you come over here onto godaddy.com, what you can do is you can go ahead and find your own domain. So over here, as you can see, we have the search bar right here. Just simply click on it and search for your own website. So it can be anything, and each domain name will cost you different. So over here, as you can see, .cloud will cost you different rate, and then .nets are going to be different, .stores are going to be different. It's going to be in different prices for each and different types of domain. So let's just say that my domain name is johnmarston.com. So now it's going to check for the domain name, and as you can see, this domain name currently is available, and all you have to do is just simply click on get it, and you can go ahead and register this domain name to your website however you want it. So just simply click on get it. It will be added to your cart. Just simply click on continue to cart, and over here you want the full domain protection, ultimate domain protection, no thanks, it all depends on you. These are basically, protections that you can add over to your website so that it protects you from any other unauthorized changes or hacking or stuff like that. If you want, you can go ahead and do that. If you don't want, just simply click on no thanks. The next thing that you can do is start your website for free. If you want, you can build a better website, but we already have one, so we don't want that. Next thing what we can do is we can add a email address. So if you want, you can have a personal email. We don't want that for now, so we'll just do that, and then we'll just click on continue to cart after we've added all of those things. So once you've done that, you can choose how long do you want your domain to be. So for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, however long you want, and then just click on I'm ready. And then you will be taken over to your payment method where you just simply have to add in your credit cards and stuff like that. And before we do that, we also have to sign up to GoDaddy or sign in if you already have created an account. Just simply click on continue with Google and you are good to go. So now, as you can see, just gotta add my billing information over here, and then we are good to go. And then we can buy this domain method, then we can apply it over to our WordPress website, and we are good to go. So that's how we basically create a website using Cloudways. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. And if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. Because if you do that, not only will you be helping us out, but you'll also be getting daily alerts of whenever we upload our videos. We upload daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. So just make sure to hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified, and you'll be able to consume your daily dose of tech videos and other gadgets and other tools that can help you run or scale your business. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.